Hey guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. Now before we jump in guys, I just want to say I hope each and every one of you are actually doing fine, you're happy, you're in good health, and you have your loved ones around you, right? That's the greatest thing right there. So how do we do that? Once you're on LinkedIn guys, all you have to do is click your profile on the left hand side, and here you just want to go ahead and click where it says contact info. That's right below your name on the left hand side here. Click on this contact info highlighted word here. It's a button, and here you just want to click the pencil icon, right? That's going to open up your contact info. And if you scroll down under this section, you have websites. Now to add your YouTube channel here, just simply click on add a website, and here you just want to put the URL to your YouTube channel. So I can go ahead and I can type in my YouTube channel, or I can just quickly go ahead and find my YouTube channel link. Let me go ahead
Hey
and
guys,
do
welcome to
so.
Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew.
Let me go ahead and do so. Once you have the YouTube channel link, you can quickly paste that in. And here you can choose if you want to say it's your personal channel or your blog or whatever it might be. You can choose other if it's up to you, whatever you want to write. And once you just basically put that in, you can just simply click and save, and it's going to add the YouTube channel there for you. Now, in order to see that, just simply refresh the page, guys, and you will be able to find the YouTube channel there. So if you click on the contact info again, you will be able to see the website there. So here it's basically shown other, but I guess everyone will realize that this is a YouTube channel. It's clear. It shows a website, it shows YouTube, and someone can easily just click on that and it takes you right over to the YouTube channel, right? So that's very easy and very simple. So if you're looking to add your YouTube channel on your LinkedIn profile, this is so easy to do. Very easy and very simple.